Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters, have you ever wondered why Allah created human beings? As Muslims, we believe that there is a purpose of everything in this world, and the creation of mankind is no exception. Allah, the most merciful and wise, has bestowed upon us the gift of life and has given us the ability to think, reason, and make choices. But why did He choose to create human in the first place? The answer to this lies in understanding the nature of Allah. He is Al-Khaliq, the creator. It is in His nature to create, and He is constantly creating in this world. From the tiniest ant to the vast galaxies, everything has been created by Him. Subhanallah. And as the most perfect and wise creator, He created mankind as the finest of His creation. My brothers and sisters, our duty as human is to fulfill this purpose by obeying His commandments, spreading goodness, and living a life of righteousness. Allah says in Surah Al-Sad, verse 71 and 72, إِذْ قَالَ رَبُّكَ لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ إِنِّي خَالِقٌ بَشَرًا مِّن طِينٍ فَإِذَا سَوَّيْتُهُ وَنَفَخْتُ فِيهِ مِن رُوحِي فَقَعُوا لَهُ سَاجِدِينَ. Indeed, I'm going to create a human being from clay. So when I have proportioned him and breathed into him of my soul, then fall down to him in prostration. My brothers and sisters, from these verses, we can understand that Allah created us to worship Him. But what does it mean to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? This does not only mean praying and fasting, but worship goes beyond just praying and performing rituals. Worship is the way of life. It means Allah's guidance and submitting to His will in all aspects of our life. This includes being kind, honest when we deal with others, taking care of our bodies, fulfilling our responsibilities, and overall living in accordance with the values and principles of Islam. It also includes living a life in accordance with His will and guidance. As human, we have been given the ability to choose between right and wrong. By choosing to submit to Allah's commands, we are fulfilling our purpose of creation. Another reason for our creation is to be tested. This life is a temporary one, and we are here to be tested in our faith and actions. Allah says in Quran, Surah Al-Mulk, ayat number 2, Allazi khalaqal mauta wal hayata liyabluwakum ayyukum ahsanu amalan wa huwal azizul ghafoor. He who created death and life to test you, which of you is the best indeed? This test is mean for us to purify ourselves and strive towards attaining His pleasure and ultimate reward of Jannah. My brothers and sisters, our Creator, Allah, in His infinite wisdom, has bestowed upon us the greatest gift. As I mentioned earlier, the gift of life. But this gift comes with a great responsibility. The responsibility to worship and obey Allah, to do good deeds and spread love and peace in the world. We are the chosen creation of Allah, blessed with intelligence, emotions, and free will. We are the reflection of His divine attributes, and through our existence, we are able to understand and appreciate the magnificence of Allah's creation. So, my dear brothers and sisters, let us always strive to fulfill our purpose on this earth. And remember, we are here because Allah chose us to be here. So continue to seek knowledge and pray for his guidance. May Allah bless us all. Jazakallah khair.